Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily News Editorial. In this channel, we regularly cover editorial page section of newspaper. Generally, it's Hindu newspaper. Today's article is from 13th of July, editorial page, The Hindu. Listening to the article gives you chance to understand right author's opinion firsthand, and also imparts you with valuable knowledge about what's happening around the world. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. And so let's begin. This article is about the recent Wimbledon win by Djokovic and all all the top players in tennis tournaments. So let's begin. Tie at the top. Djokovic in the in Djokovic is in pursuit of history, not just tournament titles. Pursuit means परस्यूट का मतलब होता है खोज कि जोकोविक जो है वो हिस्ट्री बनाने जा रहा है वो बनाने हिस्ट्री बनाना का सोच रहा है या खोज रहा है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल परस्यूट मीन्स दैट सपोज इन द परस्यूट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस कि आप खुशी खोज रहे हो. इन द परस्यूट ऑफ एक्सेलेंस कि आप कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए तो दर इज ए मिशन. परस्यूट मीन्स दर इज ए मिशन. Pursuit is used in terms of missions where you want to achieve something. So let's begin. Using Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal as measuring sticks to assess one's tennis credentials is harsh and ultimately a futile exercise. Futile means betuka. That Novak Djokovic comes through this most searing and that Novak Djokovic comes through this most searing of examinations with flying colors is a testament of his genius. Testament means proof होता है कि आप testament means proof. On Sunday, the Serb laid down the most definitive marker yet of his dazzling brilliance by pulling level with the celebrated duo on 20 Grand Slam single titles. A tense 4-set victory over Italy's Matteo Berrettini also gave Djokovic his third straight title at the All England Club and helped complete the French Open Wimbledon double, one of sport's toughest achievements. Djokovic's record-equaling feat that seemed improbable as recently as the summer of 2018. Improbable means something which is difficult to achieve, something like which is next to impossible. As a 31-year-old, he entered that year's Wimbledon as the 12th seed after having spent 2 years on the fringes. Federer and Nadal, gaining second wins, had swept the previous 6 slams and were already on 20 and 17 respectively. But Djokovic rediscovered his mojo and has since won 8 of 12 majors, the most dominant streak of his career. He also conquered Federer on grass and Nadal on clay, and snuffed out rebellions from the game's next gen of Dominic Thiem, Daniel Medvedev, Stefano Tsitsipas, and Berrettini, beating them for the last 4 slam trophies, so much so that he now feels the most complete he has ever been as a player. The accomplishments have inevitably reignited the debate on who the greatest men's player of all time is. Inevitably means जो कि होना ही था. अगर आप who so because of this win of Djokovic, he has equaled the record of रोजर फेडरर एंड नडाल। सो अब डिबेट होना ही था that who is the greatest player. So inevitably means is coming from that invitation, inevitably, right? So, while comparisons between eras are often limited and comes with caveats. Caveats means जैसे बोलते हैं किसी में कुछ पेंच है, कुछ बात कर रहे हैं, कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स वगैरह है, तो caveats. The comparison between eras often limited and comes with caveats. Think the great Pancho Gonzalez being denied chances to compete in majors in the 1950s because he had turned professional. Djokovic is without doubt the best of his generation. This week will be his record 329th as world number 1, and he is the only man to have won all 4 slams, all 9 ATP Masters 1000s and the year-ending ATP finals twice. No other statistic better represents his relentless pursuit of excellence across surfaces, continents and seasons. Relentless मतलब लगातार, and pursuit of excellence earlier also I discussed. So आप खोज में हो, आप लगातार आप excellence के खोज में हो. So no other statistics better represents his relentless pursuit of excellence across surface, continents and seasons. At the US Open starting next month, he has a shot at sporting immortality. Immortality मतलब होता है अमर हो जाना. As he can become the first man since Rod Laver in 1969 to win all 4 majors in a single year. Aisling Barty may be a long way from such monumental success, but like Djokovic, she has proved adept in mastering the game's natural surfaces by adding the Wimbledon crown to the French title she won in 2019. The 25-year-old Aussie's craft and guile was fully on display as she felled opponents as chalk and cheese as Angelique Kerber and Carolina Sikova. With modesty in her bones, she oozed an inevitably understated elegance, something the tennis world is sure to see more and more of. Thank you.